let's get started with the political nature of these strikes. What is the strategy behind them? Look, on one hand, you have the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi's dharna outside the Prime Minister's residence on Tuesday that took everyone by surprise. From protest side, Rahul Gandhi put out a public call for reinforcements, urging every patriotic Indian who believes that students deserve justice to join his dharna. Rahul's invite was aimed at the entire opposition, but except Akhilesh Yadav, no one else RSVP'd. The rest of the opposition chose a different stage. Leaders such as Sharad Pawar, Uddhav Thackeray, Arvind Kejriwal all converged at the Jantar Mantar. Listen in.
দরকার হলে ককরোচের প্রোগ্রামে আমি নিজেও যাব, কারণ আমাদের সমর্থন প্রথম থেকেই ছিল, আছে এবং থাকবে।
शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से बच्चे संसद की ओर जाना चाहते थे, उनके ऊपर बुरी तरह से डंडे बरसाए गए। कई बच्चों का सर फट गया, कई बच्चों के हड्डियां टूट गई, पैर टूट गया, हाथ टूट गए। बहुत ही बर्बरता के साथ मोदी जी ने अपने बच्चों पे हमला कराया। बच्चे केवल ये मांग रहे थे कि पेपर लीक नहीं होने चाहिए। एक तो मोदी जी एक नाकाम प्रधानमंत्री हैं जिनसे एक पेपर नहीं कराया जाता। इस तरह से डंडे बरसाना ठीक नहीं है। मोदी जी को बहुत ज्यादा अहंकार हो गया है, इतना अहंकार करना ठीक नहीं है।
Now remember, the Aam Aadmi Party is accusing the Congress Party of hijacking these protests. Where was Rahul Gandhi when Sonam Wangchuk was fasting for a month? And what is the strategy behind the Congress Party? Well, it clearly is becoming a tri-cornered political fight. This, as the Aam Aadmi Party has also accused the Congress Party of being plan B to the BJP as always. On that note, let's also bring you some reactions coming in as far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned. Let's take you through the tweet that's been put out there by Sanjay Singh of the Aam Aadmi Party. He says, सीजेपी के धरने को कमजोर करने के लिए मोदी जी ने राहुल गांधी को अपने आवास पर धरने पर बिठा दिया. So as you can see, that is the allegation that Sanjay Singh has now hurled at Rahul Gandhi, that he is in cahoots with the Bharatiya Janata Party. At the same time, Atishi of the Aam Aadmi Party has in fact mocked it by saying that this is amazing. CJP and Sonam Wangchuk 1 month protest at Jantar Mantar. Modi government refuses to talk to them. Rahul Gandhi allowed to protest outside Prime Minister's residence. In 1 hour, Modi government starts a dialogue. Wah, kya jugalbandi hai. So as you can see, that is where this is now being hinted. The direction of this is that the BJP and Congress are in cahoots with each other. On that note, let's also bring you a reaction coming in from the Congress Party. This says Aam Aadmi Party has already made a mockery of Rahul Gandhi's dharna pradarshan outside the PM's residence. All right. On that note, more breaking inputs coming in. This after the battle between Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party, Trinamool Congress has questioned Arvind Kejriwal's party as well. There's a reaction coming in from the TMC, which has now jumped into this entire battle, perhaps which will be one vote of support now coming in for the Congress Party, apart from Akhilesh Yadav. Let's also listen in to this reaction, in fact, that has come in. Let's also take you through a tweet that's come in from Kirti Azad of the Trinamool Congress. In fact, he's gone on to say that this was not expected from you, Sanjay Singh, and you have shamed our friendship. So over here, TMC, as you can see, is clearly feeling betrayed by Aam Aadmi Party because they all still regard themselves as the grand coalition of the opposition. On that note, let's also take it forward with how this is shaping up in terms of the strategy. What we can tell you that it has now proven to be a tri-cornered political fight, not just between the BJP and the Congress, but with the Aam Aadmi Party accusing the Congress Party of becoming Team B to the Bharatiya Janata Party. Those tweets, in fact, speaking 1,000 words for themselves as far as Sanjay Singh or even Atishi's tweet is concerned. They are questioning where was Rahul Gandhi when Sonam Wangchuk was earlier fasting. Why didn't the Prime Minister, in fact, have any discussions with the students when they were raising this issue as far as the CJP is concerned, but only when Rahul Gandhi started protesting outside the Prime Minister's residence did the leaders visit Sonam Wangchuk. On that note, remember, the politics over the CJP Dharna versus Rahul Gandhi's Dharna is now turning into a three-cornered slugfest, as we've been telling you, with BJP also hitting back. Bharatiya Janata Party has now claimed that Aam Aadmi Party being upset over Jantar Mantar stir, being overshadowed by the Congress, is effectively an admission that the cockroach Janata Party is its political proxy.